are getting bored because of this lockdown period, but don't worry, don't take attention. Today I am going to teach you one interesting activity from our English textbook. In our English textbook on page number 5, there is one activity and the name of activity is word formation. Here we make the different words. The instruction is use the letter cards to form words. It means that here we need letter cards. Here I have some letter cards. I have 26 letter cards. We know that there are 26 letters in English alphabets. Among them, 5 are vowels and remaining 21 are consonants. Which are vowels? Let's see. A, E, R, O and U. These are 5 vowels and remaining 21 are consonants. I have 26 letter cards and now here on the blackboard I have written some words. But if you see, these words are not complete words. In each word there are some letters are missing. And by using these cards now we make the words. Let's see how to do this activity. Here the first word is 3-letter words. M and N is given and the middle letter is missing here. Now we put one by one different cards here and try to read the word. First of all, I put here the first vowel which is A. If I put here A, then we get the word M-A-N. How to read this word? M-A-N, man. It means that here we get the first word. Which is the first word we get here? Man. If we put the another letter E, then we get M-E-N. We read this word? Yes, we can read this word. M-E-N, main. Let's try to make the new word. M-I-N, mean. In this way here we make 3 different words. Man, main, mean. The same activity we do for the next word. The next word also has a 3-letter words. The first letter is missing here. If you see, here E is a vowel. And many times in English, so many words, near about all words contains at least one vowel. इंग्रजीतले जवळजवळ बरेचसे शब्द असे आहेत, जवळजवळ सगळे शब्द असे आहेत की ज्यामध्ये तुम्हाला प्रत्येक शब्दात कमीत कमी एक स्वर आलेला दिसेल. आणि जर स्वर त्या ठिकाणी स्पष्ट लिहिलेला नसेल तर किमान त्या शब्दाच्या उच्चारणामध्ये त्या स्वराचं अस्तित्व हे असतंच असतं. कारण शब्दाचा उच्चार हा स्वराशिवाय पूर्ण होऊ शकत नाही. आता जर हा शब्द तुम्ही बघितला हियर E is a vowel. It means that in this word vowel is already present. So we can put any consonant for making the different words. If we put sequentially one by one letter, then we get the new words. First of all, I put here B and we get the new 3-letter word. How to read this word? How to pronounce this word? B-E-T, bet. B-E-T, bet. If you put here different letters, P, then P-E-T, bet. S, S-E-T, set. If you put here G, then you get G-E-T, get. We can find out so many different words by putting the letter cards one by one. We do the next activity. Here, 2 letters are missing. First and last. Only middle letter is given here. It means that here we put the 2 letters at a time and make the new word. If I put here G and G, I, P. Which word is from here? G-I-P, give. If I put here D first, D-I-G, D-I-G, dig. If you put here B and change the last letter with N, then you get B-I-N, bin. If you change only first letter here, then you get T-I-N, team. Okay? C, and last W. Then we get one common word, COW, cow. Here I change only first letter and get the new word, HOW, how. If you change both the cards at a time, then you get the new word, BOY, boy. If here you change the first letter, then TOY, toy, boy, toy. Then the another word we found here, which is DOG, dog. In this way you can make the different words, cow, how, now, toy, boy, dog. Okay. Next one is, in this word the middle letter is U, which is vowel. Then we put here the two different consonants to find out the another word. So many times in one word contains more than one vowel also. Here already U is given. If we put here the another vowel O. Okay, O, U and T. Which word is found here? O-U-T, out. The rhyming words now we make here. If we put here C, then C-U-T, cut. Now I change only one card here. That is, now I put here N and N-U-T, nut, cut, nut, P-U-T, put, O-U-T, out. Here we can easily find out so many words. This is very interesting activity, and by this activity you can increase your vocabulary. This is very helpful to develop your vocabulary. Now we are going to make the fourth sequentially. First word we find out here BALL, ball. If you replace the vowel, then the another vowel we put here E and we get BELL, bell. If you put here U, then you get BULL, bull. If you put here I, then BILL, bill. In this way, you can put any one vowel and change the consonants. You can find out the different words like this: ball, ball, doll, mall, bell, sail, bill, bill. Okay? In this way, we make the different words. Here also we find out the words. S and T is given. First of all, we have to put here any vowel and then you can put any consonant for making the word. If I put here D, then DUST, dust. If I change vowel also, then we get the different words. First of all, I put here one vowel E and we must put here any consonant for making the word. B, BEST, best. Here also we put vowel and then put any consonant. We know that COCK, cock. So I put here C and find out the new word. COCK, cock. If you put here L, then you get LOCK, lock. If you put here D and U, then you get DUST, dust. Student, in this way, at your home, you also make these letter cards and do this activity. Find out the so many different words and after that, write down all the words in your English textbook. Thank you and all the best.